Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to sign up and set up a domain name with Weebly. If you're looking to establish your online presence with a professional web address, this process will get you there quickly and easily. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and navigate to Weebly.com. Once you're on the site, go ahead and log into your Weebly account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your homepage where you can manage all your website projects. Now, direct your attention to the left menu panel. You'll see an option labeled Website. Click on it to expand the menu, and underneath you'll find Edit Site. Click on Edit Site to proceed. This is where you'll access all the websites you've created with Weebly. A list of your websites will appear. Choose the specific website you want to work on and edit. Once you've selected it, look over to the right side of the screen where you'll see an Edit button. Click this button to open your website in the editor. Here's where things get convenient. You'll be taken directly to the editor page, and in most cases, the domain name setup menu will automatically appear on your screen. This pop is Weebly's way of prompting you to connect a custom domain to your site. However, if for some reason this menu doesn't pop up automatically, don't worry. Simply look at the upper right corner of the editor and click the Publish button. This will trigger the domain setup interface to appear. Now you're ready to set up your domain name. In the field provided, type in the domain name you'd like to use for your website. This is your chance to claim your unique web address, so choose something that represents your brand or business well. After entering your desired domain name, click Search. Weebly will process your request and show you some suggestions based on what you entered. These suggestions are helpful if your first choice isn't available or if you want to explore alternative extensions like .net or .org. Browse through the options and find one that suits your needs. Once you've found the perfect domain name, click Choose next to it. This selection will direct you straight to the payment page where you can complete the purchase and officially secure your domain name. And that's it. You've successfully signed up and set up a domain name with Weebly, giving your website a professional and personalized web address. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.